Hi, I'm CMOS, and this is the second episode of Haulin' Ass. Today we'll be installing the 1920 Solo saddle seat. So come out with me to the garage and let's install this badass seat.
So here's a screenshot of the parts we'll be installing, and then next I'm going to show you the maintenance booklet with the torque specifications. Pause the video whenever you can and let's go ahead and do the installation. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Please check out my next video that's going to be released tomorrow, the Solo saddle seat ride review. And if you guys have any time, check out the comfort seat review that I let out last week. Again, thanks for your time and CMOS out.